कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है। उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है। वेलकम टू टीआरएस क्लास। Have you ever had a conversation like this with Pawan Kalyan sir?
Oh my God, Pawan Kalyan sir. So I have to say, first of all, let me give you some
Sure.
backstory about him. He is a phenomenon, right? Like he is equivalent to God in Andhra and Telangana, like equivalent to God. The kind of craze that he has is unmatched, like it's unparalleled. And I realized that when I was working with him. So the moment people came to know I'm working with him, they all were like, do well, huh? You're working with our God and everything. And I was like, okay, great, I will. I'll try my best. But he's such an intelligent man. He is so there's something about his aura, Ranveer. It's very magnetic, and whatever he does, it's the way he sits, the way he stands, the way he speaks. He can do anything. It just feels like, for the lack of a better word, mass. It just feels like that. But very intelligent person, very bold person. I think he has the courage to say things that people would not normally talk about. He's very bold, honest, open in public, which is always dangerous. But I think his fans love him for that. And he is like beyond box office. Hits or flops don't affect his career at all.
Yeah. So it's a part of the
He's,
reason I brought
yeah,
up his name here.
yeah.
These are all personalities that are way beyond,
Beyond. They are beyond the box office collection. Like beyond.
but
Their craze
it's
is
taken time and human effort to reach
absolutely,
that point.
absolutely. Time, human effort, and also some kind of situations I think that they have very openly faced in the public eye, where people saw their real character, their real personality, and fell in love with that. So they have like personality fans,
What's
you
the
know.
core reading of Pawan Kalyan sir?
I think he's like a courageous. He's like a lion. Like he can stand alone, and he just has the guts that nobody else has.
I don't know why I'm saying this. Like, but I won't be surprised if he becomes the PM of our country eventually.
I won't be surprised either. I really won't. Like seriously, I won't, because I feel he's been working in politics for many years. It's just that he won now, so his name is come to the upfront. But he's been working for many years.
Yeah.
He's been building up his team, his system, his party, and everything.
Yeah.
And I feel like he's bold, courageous, always stands for the right.
Yeah. And the one thing I know about any politician is that
Yeah,
they enter the game to reach the top.
yeah,
So, yes, but only some people can. And
yeah,
I feel if you've navigated the film world with so much nuance for so long and
yeah,
then had a successful political
yeah,
scene, you're in prime position to.
yeah. And simultaneously doing both as well. I mean, two most pressurizing, not most, there's sports as well, but one of the most pressurizing careers to have, right?
Yeah.
Politics and films.
Yeah.
Too much of pressure, mental pressure.
I wonder what that inner hunger looks
Yeah,
like.
I feel for him it's a lot about the people. So I've seen this. Like I've seen him talking to, the rooted people. I've seen him talking to them and asking them their issues and working on that. Coming up with a change for that. Not just talking to them for publicity, but coming up with changes as well.
Can I ask you about Rajnikant as well?
Rajnikant sir, yeah. I mean, I've not worked with him, but he is huge. I mean, even today, so whenever you talk about me, a lot of numbers will come in, more than anything. Even today, he brings in huge numbers as an opening. He has a huge business because people of Tamil Nadu will go for his film regardless of anything. The film doesn't even matter. It's just if it has Rajnikant, that's all they want.
With him, I know for a fact because I know certain things about him from the spiritual community, and he spends a lot of time in ashrams and he
Yeah,
goes to
yeah.
Tirthastans. There's spiritual force inside.
Inside of him,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
That's what's driving the outward thing, which the world is seeing as material success.
Yeah, it has to be, actually on some level to reach that
Yeah.
position. I think somewhere it has to be.
Would you ever want that in any lifetime of yours? That quantum of success?
I mean, if any, it would have to be this
W-
lifetime.
This lifetime?
Yeah, if it has to be any lifetime, it would have to be this. But after this, no, I would not want that. I would really just want to be happy on a farm somewhere, not stressing, not even knowing of Twitter and Instagram and all of that. I would just want to be like in a very different zone in life. But so that's why if it has to be any, it has to be this one.
On a farm somewhere.
Yeah.
Nice.
Happy with lots of animals and lots of, yeah.
And a nice Indian dharmic.
And a nice Indian pati.
Marwadi boy.
No, doesn't have to be Marwadi.
Doesn't have to be
No,
Marwadi.
doesn't have to be Marwadi.
Why not?
I mean, it doesn't matter, na?
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.